Hello students, welcome back to Math Studio. Today I am back with one more maths activity which is very interesting and I'm sure that you will like it and you will definitely share it with many more students who love to play with maths. It is my mini calculator. Yes, you must be thinking that in today's time ma'am is going to teach us how to make a calculator. Calculators are available in the market. So many types of calculators are there. Normal one, scientific one, and what is ma'am going to do? Okay, let's see. Let's start the work today. See, it is always wise to be connected to our history. Today, whatever mathematics and science we are enjoying, the inventions that we are having comfort with, right, they all are the result of lots and lots of work done by our great mathematicians. Once there was a mathematician known as John Napier in Scotland. He created this mini calculator to make calculations easy for people. So what did he do? Let's see. He created it like this. I'm just giving you a small version of it. Lots and lots of YouTube videos and everything is there so you can explore more. But the basic idea would be given to you by me today. So what you have to do is, a very easy way is you take a A4 size sheet and divide it into 8 vertical columns and then 10 horizontal columns. Divide it like this. Then draw these slanting lines over here, right? On first sheet you are going to write counting from 1 to 9, and on others you must be seeing I have labeled them 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are nothing but these are times tables. Table of 1, table of 2, table of 3, like that. I have to prepare these 9 strips. You can prepare 2 sets of these so that you can work on with lots of numbers. So these I have done from on the other sheet. So first sheet has been done like this. Now how to write it? When you have drawn these lines in one particular direction only, that is from right to left, here this upper place, this one is for tens and this is units place. So 1 ones are 1. So tens place will never be left vacant, right? It won't be left blank. You will be writing 0 over there. So 0 1 0 2, like that you are going to write. Then times table of 2 is to be written. 10 will be written like this, at tens place 1 and 0 at the units place, like this. So you are going to write all the tables till 9, okay, up to 9. Now turn comes how to use it. So let us see. I collect all these sheets and I have written few questions for practice. You can practice more questions on your own. First thing is how to arrange. First of all, you are going to arrange this sheet. Then look at the number. It is 1 2 3 4. So all the sheets with 1 2 in order, okay, 3 and 4, they will be arranged alongside like this. And now you see I have to find out 1 2 3 4 into 6. So what will we do? We will look into the column which is in front of all these here, this row which is beside 6. So we will start writing the answer from backwards, from here right hand side, right? So units place is 4. What about this tens place? For tens place we are going to add these 2 digits, 1 and 2. No, sorry, here 8 and 2. So this is 10. 0 will come, 1 will be carried over here. Then next hundreds place, it will be 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 that was carried, so 4. Next it is going to be 6 plus 1 is 7. So answer is 7404. Let's try with one more number. 32 times 4. 32 times 4. So for that I will be keeping these like this. 32 will be kept in front of this like this. And now you want 32 times 4. So what will you do? You will look it into 4th row. So start writing 8. 0 plus 9, 0 plus 2 is 2, and here lastly 1. Next, 16 2s are 32, you know it, but okay, let's verify it. So you will be writing here 16, you will be keeping here 16 like this, 1 6. You want to, let's verify also whether our calculator is working properly or not, right? 16 into 2 will be here 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Clear? Next, 125 into 8. So I arrange my sheets, these strips, 125, and I will look into which column? I will look here into row, and I will be looking into 8th row. So let's start writing. Here I have 0. Next is going to be 6 plus 4 is 10. So 0. Again 1 carried. So 1 plus 9 is 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 and 1 was carried. So 10 again. And again 1 carried. So 1 and 0 will give you 1. So 1000 is the answer. Let's practice one more quickly. 389 into 7. So let us keep these sheets here. 389 into 7. So I will look into the row number 7. Here, this one. So here in this one, let's start writing the answer. First it is going to be 3. Now I know you must be expert in telling. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 will come. 1 carried. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 1 7. And then here it is 2. Right. So answer is 2723. So students, I hope today's video was very meaningful and helpful to you. Please enjoy it and share with others also. Thank you.